Imagine this. You're playing a video game for the first time. No tutorials, no guides. You just spawn in. Everything feels confusing at first. You make mistakes, take wrong turns, lose battles, but you keep going. Because, well, what else can you do? Life works the exact same way. The craziest part? You can only play this game forward, but it only makes sense when you look back. Think about it. When you start a game, you have no clue where you're going. You just explore, you fail, you restart, you level up, but you never truly understand the bigger picture until you've played enough of the game. In life, you return into the world without instructions. You don't get a guidebook explaining how to be happy, how to be successful, or how to handle failure. You just start playing. And at first, I can tell you, it's messy as hell. Have you ever looked back at your past and thought, oh, that's why that happened? It's like playing a game where you start with a blurry, empty map. You don't see where the roads lead, but as you move forward, the map reveals itself, and suddenly you realize every mistake, every setback, every wrong turn was actually leading you somewhere. You just couldn't see it at the time being. Here's a good quote for you. Steve Jobs once said, "You can't connect the dots looking forward. You can only connect them looking backward." Life is designed the same way, and when you realize this, it changes everything. We like to think we control everything, our success, our relationships, our future, but in reality, just like a game, there are random events, plot twists, and obstacles you never see coming. You ever notice how, in a video game, you can't control everything? Sometimes you just have to adapt. Same with life. The sooner you stop fighting what you can't control, the better you play the game. So, if life is a game, how do you play it well? First, stop overthinking every decision. Just like in a game, taking action is better than standing still. Even if you fail, you learn. Second, don't compare your level to others. Some people start with better stats than you, richer families, better genetics, stronger connections, it seems. But it's how you play with what you have that matters. Third, enjoy the game. What's the point of a game where you so focused on just winning that you forget about enjoying the moment? Here's the craziest part. When you reach the end of this game, you realize something wild. It was never about winning. It was never about being the best. It was just about playing, experiencing, and living. And if you're watching this right now, then congratulations, you're still in the game. So play it well, because when it's all said and done, the only thing you'll wish is that you played more fearlessly. If this video made you see life differently, drop a comment below. What level do you think you're at right now in the game of life? Hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because this is just the beginning. There's more to unlock. See you guys in the next level. Peace.